How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I want to go over our new Carbine 40-inch off-road LED light bar. So you'll see it sitting in the front here, and again, this is our 40-inch model. And then we also offer our Carbine 10-inch and our Carbine 20-inch. Now this is for our single row carbines, and we also have our dual carbine series, which will be your double stack LEDs. So you'll see here again, we offer these units in our 10-inch, 20-inch, and 40-inch here, and we offer floodlight and hybrid optics. So on the floodlight optics, you'll see it's all floodlight optics, and you'll get that really wide spread off of your light bar. And then on the hybrid optics, you'll see that you'll have floodlight optics on the outside and spotlight optics on the inside, so you'll have a more focused beam on the inside of your light bar, with the spread on the sides with the floodlight. Now, for example, on our 40-inch, I did bring an all floodlight model here, so I'll go ahead and turn it on. Now this unit has 42 3-watt LEDs pushing 17,460 lumens, so you'll see that this light bar is very bright, all while only pulling about 8.8 amps of power, so you'll see that this is the perfect light bar for any application. So I'll go ahead and turn it off here. It's hard to see how bright it is in the video, but you get the idea about how bright and how much light this unit puts off. And again, this is our Carbine 40-inch floodlight. So that covers our Carbine 40-inch off-road LED light bar. Make sure to check out the product pages for the full product information. And if you have any questions, use our live chat feature or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.